Hello guys, so today we are going to see second part of inbuilt exceptions which are associated with Python, and we will see examples of each and every of this and understand its importance. Okay, so very first one is module not found. Okay, now when we are working on module not found, normally what happen is we are considering that particular module is whether available in the list of application, list of libraries of Python, and if it is not, then it may cause problem to us. Okay, so we need to handle such type of scenario. So right here we are taking a we are importing crystal as CR, and then we are looking for it. But right here issue is this type of library is not available in Python library set. So it will give me error, that is module not found. Okay, so this is my module not found error, which right here we can see. Just I will change the name. Okay, so this is your no module named crystal. Now second one, in the same way we have something called as import error. Suppose my library is available and we are not able to install that library. We are not able to install that library, or we are not installing that library at that particular moment. So when you will run this type of so you will find that it is throwing error no module named chainer. Okay, although chainer is a module which is available inside Python library, but right now we are getting error with respect to that. Next type of exception is exception which is related to index. Now, as we know, in case of Python, we access everything with the help of indexes. Now, if my index value, suppose I have total 20 elements in my list. So if I try to access 21st or 22nd element from that list, then it will throw an error. Right here, we have taken total 9 elements. So it is starting from index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, 6, 7, 8. As it is starting from 0, it is ending at index 8. And right here we are trying to perform range 0 to 10. So it will go up to 9. And then it will throw an error with respect to index error, that index value doesn't exist. Okay. Next one is where we are trying to see attribute error. Now attribute error is associated with the properties which are associated with any kind of function or any kind of data type. Okay, so right here what we are doing is we are trying to use list method or list function, list inbuilt function on tuple. Okay, so right here we have a tuple, that is where in which I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I have something that is one empty tuple, and then I am performing append operation on it. Okay, now when you will run this one, you will find that it is giving you attribute error, and it is saying that tuple object has no attribute append. So it is directly talking about the function which we are trying to inbuilt function which we are trying to access. So tuple doesn't have any inbuilt function which is called as append inside that. Now next one is my arithmetic error. Now, arithmetic error is a combination of multiple errors, and arithmetic error is parent class of all these errors like overflow, zero division, and floating point error. Now, right here we are accessing the parent class, that is arithmetic. We are trying to access the parent exception, arithmetic error, and we are getting right here, you can see that we are getting zero division error in this, and this parent can easily handle its child class child exceptions. Now we will try the same exception, the same program with another exception which is related to my zero division error. So I am applying zero division error on this, and right here we are able to handle it, and I am getting the error message for that particular inbuilt exception. Next one is assertion error. Assertion error normally raised when an assert statement fails. So right here you can see we are using assert statement right here, and when this assert fails, my assertion error triggers. Okay, so right here you can see assertion error. Next one is my indentation error. Now indentation is like very important thing in Python because everything is based on indentation. So right here we are simply ignoring all the indentation, and due to which my program is throwing an indentation error for this particular program. So we are not following try block, we are not following def function, we are not following for, we are not following if, and other things. So overall we are ignoring everything, and due to which we are getting this particular indentation error. Next one is my type error. So wherever you are trying to use different data types at one place and try to perform operation on it, at that particular place your type error will come into picture. Right here we have first string, second float, and third string, and we are trying to add all these things. So I'm getting type error in this particular scenario. Now next one is my value error, where in this value error I'm trying to take math function, and using that I'm trying to perform this. So let us see. We are taking square root function of -10, and due to which I'm getting value error, and it is saying math domain error. Okay, so this is all about inbuilt exception. In this particular video we have covered total 10 different inbuilt exceptions, and I hope you have understood all this, you have enjoyed it, and it is like this video is helpful for your future work. And so do subscribe this channel, give thumbs up to it, and thank you very much.